Gallu ymlacio, really fel chill.
We get in and we samples everywhere, everyone has sweet stuff today.
It seems like there's a nice mix of food stalls, which is great because we're vegetarians.
Lots of different ages and backgrounds of people here, and nice like sustainable food places.
I'm amazed about how many people there are here because I haven't been to this before. I live in Sain Ffagan, so it's really amazing to have this on the doorstep.
Always is.
Yeah, it's been really busy since the doors opened really. It's been really good.